Yes. Good evening and warm welcome to all ladies and gentlemen and my friends from textile industry. Today we are attending the second in the series webinar under Big Mehta Memorial Lecture Series. We once again thank Mrs. Hansaben Mehta for this wonderful initiative for the benefit of the Indian textile industry. Also, the initiative taken by Madam Hansaben for funding the development of BK Mehta Modern Virtual Library and BK Mehta Technology Networking Mission, which will help in bringing the industry experts, academics, industrialists, and the government bodies on the common platform for networking latest technologies and will give the students an opportunity to showcase their talents. We are fortunate to have with us Advocate Abhijit G. Vanjari, President of Group of Govindrao Vanjari College and Institute of Engineering and Technology and member of Maharashtra Legislative Council as the chief guest for today's session and who will guide us on the role of engineering colleges in taking further BK Mehta Technology Networking Mission. We thank you, sir, for sparing your valuable time and welcome you for this session. We also have with us Mrs. Mohini Kelkar, Director, Sales and Marketing, Grind Master Machines Private Limited, as our today's guest speaker, who will be addressing us on customer satisfaction excellence. We thank you, madam, for sparing your valuable time and welcome you for this session. The session will be concluded by Mr. Kirti Rathod, past president ITAMA and whole-time director Deluxe Bearings Private Limited, and thereafter we will have a refresher session on question and answer. I now request Mr. Chandresh Shah, our president ITMA, to deliver his welcome address. Thereafter, we will display the video of Sri BK Mehta, followed by message of Mrs. Hansaben Mehta, and thereafter we shall start the session by chief guest address, followed by the presentation of the guest speaker and Mr. Kirti Rathod. Thank you all.
Thank you, Mataji. Ask me to mute the. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, you can.
Yes. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, and my colleague, it is my distinct honor and high privilege to welcome you to the second webinar. This is under BK Mehta Memorial Lecture Series. Friends, Sri BK Mehta, visionary and past president for 4 years and also a trustee for 4 decades of ITAMA, have executed the role to pillar and sanitizing the association in terms of system, technology, and R&D. I feel proud mentioning that the various initiatives have been taken by Mrs. Hansha Mehta for time to time, taking it vision further by supporting ITMA in the formation of BK Mehta Endowment Funds. Special Corona Barrier Award rectify funding for the development of state-of-art conference room equipped with the BK Mehta Virtual Modern Library and formation of BK Mehta Technology Mission. And my heartily congratulations to Madam Hansha Mehta, Hansaben Mehta, for the family tradition industry in coming future. We are fortunate today to have with us Advocate Abhijit Govindrao Vanjari, President Group of Govindrao Vanjari College of Institute of Engineering and Technology, and all.
Chandresh bhai,
इकडे शुक्रवार शनिवार रविवार 3 दिवस प्रोग्राम मारा. सोमवारी दिवसभर कॉलेज, मंगळवारी सकाळी मुंबई.
Chandresh bhai, are you? We cannot hear you properly, Chandresh bhai. Mr. Chandresh Shah,
Yes, yes, yes.
we cannot hear you properly.
Sorry,
There is a network problem.
sorry for interruption. Can I now, can I continue?
Yes, yes.
Okay, please. We are fortunate today to have with us with Govindrao Vanjari, President Group of Govindrao Vanjari College and Institute of Engineering and Technology, and also member of Maharashtra Legislative Council. Advocate sir, with his wide experience and academic field, will be guiding us on the role of engineering college is taking further became Meta Technology networking mission. I thank him behalf of ITAMA for sparing his valuable time for this webinar and welcome him as a chief guest of this session. We will also presentation from our guest speaker, Mrs. Mohini Kelkar, Director Sales and Marketing Grandmaster Machine Private Limited. On the very important topic, customer engagement, I thank you for the presentation during this webinar. My colleague, Mr. Krishna, will be on behalf of the association in my own, I once again extend my welcome to all of you and thank you for spending your time in spite of your busy work. Today's webinar on BK Mehta member.
Okay. Now, finished, I think.
Okay, Chandresh bhai, we cannot hear you. Shall we go ahead?
Yes.
Hello. Now we will display the video of Mr. BK Mehta, who was lovingly known as Bal Bhai.
Shri B.K. Mehta, lovingly known as Balbai in the textile industry. His contribution in the textile industry was tremendous. He set up his own business in 1954 known as B. Mehta and Company. In 1971, he launched Baltex Engineering Private Limited. His contribution to the Association of Merchants and Manufacturers of Textile Stores and Machinery, India, today known as Indian Textile Accessory and Machinery Manufacturer Association, ITAMA, was tremendous. In 1953, he was elected as 7th President of the Association and subsequently re-elected in 1956, 1966 and 1972. He was also trustee for over 4 decades. The pivotal role of coordinating the activities of the association was generally left to Shri Balbai, which he handled with tact, determination and passion. He was well known as a responsible member of the association. Balbai was also known as a driving force behind the collection drive for funds for building of the association. On his 70th birthday, 1988, B.K. Mehta Endowment Fund was established in appreciation of his yeoman and meritorious services to the association to be utilized for encouraging research on textile engineering designs. Members of the association collected rupees 2.18 lakhs to the said fund. He recorded his vision in the form of phrases: technological development and innovation can only survive and sustain you in this challenging competitive global market.
dear friends, as such, there are many yesterday's memories associated with Balbai in connection with Etama. However, I wish to specifically mention here today about his emphasizing that Etama should take up activities which make its members and the organization very strong in terms of system, technology and R&D. Considering his passion for R&D, the members of Managing Committee of Etama on his 70th birthday in the year 1988 established B.K. Mehta Endowment Fund in appreciation of his yeoman and meritorious service to the association. Today, I am really delighted and happy to see that his vision is being taken forward through this series of memorial lectures. Also, the formation of development of the state-of-the-art conference room with B.K. Mehta virtual modern library and B.K. Mehta technology networking mission on this auspicious occasion will help in execution of the objectives of his vision. I am sure that this mission will prove to be beneficial to the Indian textile engineering industry to develop their technological setup and will also help in bringing on the surface of the talent and the low-costing technologies available with the students. I thank the management of Etama and offer my best wishes for a fruitful journey of this mission in execution of the vision of Balbai. Thank you all.
Dear friends, now we will have a chief guest address by Advocate Abhijit Vanjari. Fortunately, we are having Dr. Hemant Sonare. Doctor, you are there?
Yeah, I'm there.
He is a leading educanist and a reputed textile garment technologist, agriculturist, and eminent speaker, and well-known in social scientist, Mr. Dr. Hemant Sonare. And he has been an ex-chairman of TAI and presently is a secretary of Vidarbha unit of TAI. So I will request Dr. Hemant Sonare to please introduce Advocate Abhijit Vanjari. I am thankful to you, Doctor, for your efforts in bringing a renowned identity on our platform. Thank you.
Thank you, Matreji. Advocate Abhijit Govindra Vanjari is a young dynamic leader, an eminent speaker and a reputed education mentor. And he is currently member of Legislative Council, MLC from Nagpur, which includes entire 6 districts, 6 Lok Sabhas and almost 36 Vidhan Sabhas of entire Vidarbha region. He won this election of Nagpur graduate constituency with a trumpeting majority. The victory is being treated as the historic because this constituency was the stronghold of Bharatiya Janata Party from last 58 years. He was Secretary of Maharashtra Pradesh Youth Congress, General Secretary of Maharashtra Pradesh NSUI, ex-Vice Chancellor of Vice Chairman of Youth and Sports Cell of Maharashtra Pradesh Congress Committee, General Secretary and Spokesperson of Nagpur District Congress Committee, and even he was the election observer of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Advocate Abhijit Vanjari is a member of Management Council of the Rashtrasant Tukadoji Maharaj Nagpur Vidyapit. He is a select member of the Nagpur RTMNU, Secretary of Amar Seva Mandal, an educational society running almost 10 colleges in all area like engineering, pharmacy, law, management, computer technology, science, commerce and arts. Almost 25,000 students are learning in this under the umbrella of Amar Seva Mandal. He is a prominent leader and contributing in the development of cooperative sector also. He is currently a chairman of prestigious Govind Urban Credit Cooperative Society and having branches all across Vidarbha. He is involved in the various social work projects and taking forward legacy of his father, late MLA Govindraoji Vanjari, through Govindrao Vanjari Foundation. I welcome you, sir, for your time, because I know you are very busy. Right now you are at Mumbai and he is joining us for this particular seminar because of Mr. Matre continuously in my touch, and on my one request he agreed to be a part of this particular conference. Thank you very much.
और एक भी हमारे पास फोटो नहीं कि आँख खुली हो मारे अगर छे कारण काटी हो
Abhijit, na? Dr. Hemant, sir is there?
I just check.
Yeah, he was there some 5 minutes back. I saw him.
क्यों वॉल्यूम नीचे हो तो
He will join within a second. Hello. He will join within a second.
Okay.
Okay, just wait. Once he will be there, he will start with the speech. You just
Okay.
Please, Abhijit. Yes. Yes, sir. You can please welcome.
Hello.
Yeah.
Is it my turn to speak?
Yes. Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Just 10 minutes back when I got connected for this conference, I was in Mantralaya. Now I'm heading towards Mumbai airport. So I'm in transit. So I'm very sorry for joining late. But I extend my best wishes for BK Mehta Memorial Lecture Series. And I extend my all wishes for your future endeavors. And since I'm in transit, so there will be a network issue. So I would not be able to join for a long time. So I might just convey my wishes to all the members and the entire governing body of this BK Mehta Memorial Lecture Series. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.